welcome our chief guest to Pakistan Sweet Home.
I'm looking forward to engage with His Excellency in all of assets, and we are willing to supporting his agency, inshallah. I'm very happy today to see everybody from all the different cultures, from Balochistan, from the Sindh, from Punjab, Pashtunis, Bluchi, and BG, and it's my first time. I know your traditional dress, alhamdulillah. Balochistan. Thank you very much for everything you do for me, and I'm looking forward to see you back again, inshallah, in the future. And I'd like to Excellency to thank him very much for his invitation and for the touring in this area. Actually, thank you very much.